Good afternoon, everybody. Ryan Kelly, Ecuador Shores Realty, Manta Ecuador's #1 top producing, most recommended expat realty company. And today we're coming to you from Plaza Aventura, which is where our office is, located right upstairs for Ecuador Shores Realty. But we're not here for us today. We're here actually for Top Dental. That's right, everybody. We're doing a dental tourism video for you, literally introducing you to, well, the top dental in Manta Ecuador, Top Dental. We're literally going to be doing a full one-on-one interview with Jennifer Carreno, as well as her husband, the world famous Dr.Victor Carreno, where everybody literally comes down, whether it's on vacation and you just want to get a cleaning or a fill, to all the way into doing cosmetic dentistry, crowns, veneers, orthodontics, literally everything that you guys are looking for. And we're going to answer a lot of those questions that you guys have. So yeah, let's go ahead and meet them. Okay, so here we are inside the wonderful lobby here of Top Dental with the man himself, Dr. Victor Carreno, and his wonderful wife, Jennifer. So of course, again, I know so many different people out there are always wondering, hey, what about dental tourism here in Manta Ecuador? It is absolutely incredible because this office, I mean, man, you guys have just gotten everything now. It's really amazing to see where have you been, where you are now, where you're getting ready to go. But I know a lot of you always have a lot of different questions about dental because, of course, dental, I'm sure, I don't know, I'm worried about it also sometimes. But everybody always kind of wonders, hey, what am I getting myself into? So let's kind of cover a lot of different grounds, everything from, you know, history, schooling, experience, and then a lot of different things that you guys normally hear from people on what people are looking for. So to start it out, give us a little bit of history.
All right. I studied here in Manta, originally from Manta. I got my first diploma, my first degree in dentistry from Manta, and then later on we moved to Denver, United States, and we worked over there for like 4 years. And then I won a scholarship to study at Manchester University in England, and full scholarship. And then we went there. I studied oral maxillofacial surgery. And then after that, we came back here to Manta and we opened Top Dental. And we have more than 7 years serving, providing dentistry to the community of Manta.
Fantastic. So yeah, you're definitely smart. He knows what he's doing. Not only, man, a ton of schooling. You actually won your scholarship over there. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. So some of the different things that people will come looking for you for, like what are some of the top things that people generally come in wanting you to save them with?
Yeah, well, we have a full team of dental experts and specialists. We have the best team in Manta. So we've got the 3 general dentists, 2 oral surgeons, periodontist, endodontist, orthodontist. Actually, Victor himself is a patient right now of orthodontist.
God, look at that show. That's great. See?
And pretty much all of our team members speak English, except one is learning English, and our receptionist, Maria, speaks English. We have a new dentist who even speaks French. For a lot of our patients are coming from Quebec for dental tourism. So yeah.
Fantastic. Wow. Now, another quick question. What sets you guys apart from a lot of the other dentistries around here, maybe probably even in the US or Canada as well? Like, what are some of your main things that you guys are able to offer?
Well, we can offer you is first customer service. Customer service is the most important part for our office. Also, we offer like a good quality, high-tech dental service. We can offer also like beautiful area around Manta, easy to connect with the world. Now we have the international airport, easy to get to Manta. What else can we offer?
Yeah, we also do other services as well, like Botox and facial harmonization. Victor, as a maxillofacial surgeon, also has additional training in those services, so we offer that too. And yeah, the digital dentistry, we've invested in a lot of high-tech. We have an intraoral scanner that I think few offices, even in Ecuador, have that. So
wow.
No more taking impressions, everything's all 3D digital now, going straight to the lab. We work with zirconia, Emax, pure porcelain, all the best materials.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I mean, man, I don't even know if the US is caught up to them.
So you're getting the same service in the US, but a really low cost.
Absolutely.
And also you are getting an appointment faster because now it's getting crazy to get an appointment with a specialist
Right.
in Canada and the US. So here you can get it right away.
That's true. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, because right now with dentistry, and even a lot of our Canadian clients have recently told me about this, they're having to wait like multiple weeks, if not a couple of months, to be able to get into a dentist, correct?
That's
Yeah.
exactly.
So with you guys, sorry to interrupt, so with you guys, they can actually call up Jen, book an appointment, hop on a plane, come down, and have everything done and enjoy the beach life at the same time. So
And we always give priority to patients that travel for dental tourism. Only for that, they contact us like a couple of weeks earlier, and we set up all the appointments just for treatment.
wow,
Yeah,
fantastic.
we'll make sure we get everything done, you know, in the time that you're here, basically.
Gotcha. So you guys can literally facilitate everything for them from the first chat about what they're looking for, what they need. They come in, they can literally have everything done here,
Yeah.
one-stop shop.
And sometimes they ask also for transportation, where we recommend our friend taxi driver Juan.
Of course, Juan Zambrano.
Or sometimes they ask for recommendation for hotels. We give some ideas about the hotel, the areas, and also if they need like a apartment, we also refer to our friends Rafaela Barba.
Of course,
From Ecuador
yes.
Shores Realty.
Absolutely,
Ecuador
yeah.
Realty.
ESR Rentals now, yes. That's fantastic. So if it's going to be something that's going to take a few weeks, you guys could be able to help them out with Rafi and organize a condo to be able to stay at, be able to kind of relax and
Exactly.
enjoy it as much as they can. Yeah, fantastic. All right, great. So as you can see, they are extremely well versed and a lot of experience in virtually everything that you're looking for dental. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the office. We're going to show you all the different areas that they have. Let's go ahead and get into it. So your first stop coming into Top Dental will be into the case presentation room. So the case presentation room is exactly what it sounds like. They're literally going to take your case, they're going to look at everything that you're looking for and needing to do, and they're going to have, man, this is incredible. It's like complete 3D imaging, whole 9 yards, and they'll be able to literally go through everything, time frame, costs, game plan. So why don't you give us a little bit more in-depth analysis on this?
Yeah, basically when the patient contacts us and the first time they arrive, we send them to do a 3D X-ray, which is a CT scan or combined CT scan, also known in the US.
Okay.
Basically with this we can see everything. I told them I can see even your soul with this. For example, this patient came for dental tourism. He needs a lot of dental work. But with the X-ray, we can make different treatment plans, and we can offer bridges, veneers, implants, and we do different situations for him, different cases, and then they can choose what they feel more comfortable to go with. Also with the timing as well.
Wow, that's fantastic. So basically from here, it's really just about formulating that game plan about what to do first. Hey, we need to do the implants first. Hey, we're going to do the bridge first.
Yeah, this is our plan.
What have you.
This is our plan.
Gotcha.
This is going to help to make the structure, the what we're going to do, how we're going to do, and what time he's going to need to stay in the city.
Gotcha. Now with some patients, I mean, again, obviously I'm no dentist, but if you're going to do multiple things like this, would this be something they can do all in one trip, like in 30 days? Or is it something where it would take 6 months and they got to come back and forth a couple times?
Yes. Jennifer normally, she's in charge of timing.
Yeah, certain things like crowns, bridge, veneers, those things can be done in one trip. We usually recommend about 10 days minimum. I mean, if you can stay longer, you should, because Manta's awesome. But
Yeah, enjoy the beach,
that
yeah.
would be like the minimum time. And then implants are generally 2 trips. So you'll come and have the implants done. Again, we need about 10 days for planning, implant placement, follow-up. And then you'll come back 3-4 months later. If it's longer, that's fine too, to have the permanent crowns and everything placed on the
Gotcha.
Something that you have to have in mind is that you don't have to come to the office every single day. We're only gonna see you 3 or 4 times. The rest of the time that you're gonna be here, you're gonna be doing shopping or traveling or exploring. You don't have to be all day, all the time at the office.
Fantastic, yeah. You'll be shopping with all the money that you save.
Exactly.
Fantastic, absolutely. And on a little side note, virtually everybody that we talk to that comes down for dental tourism with Top Dental, they basically save so much money that they pay for the entire trip, all their extra activities, and still save money on top of all that. So
Yeah,
it's
like-
been amazing.
I can give an idea of some prices, like
Sure.
an Emax or zirconia crown, which is top of the line materials, is about $500 per tooth. So compare, like in North America, that's probably $1,500 or $2,000 per tooth.
Per tooth?
Yeah.
Wow.
Implants,
Oh my goodness.
about $800 per implant, and then when you come back for the crown, that's $500, so $1,300 for an implant. Again, huge savings compared to the US. So that's the most common thing that people come for dental tourism is when they need a lot of work like that, where they're going to save like $10,000 or more compared to in the States.
That's
So, yeah.
incredible. I can't believe how expensive dentistry has gotten back home. So obviously I always come here, so I'm kind of spoiled by the prices here at Top Dental. It's one of those things where I would always come back here. Even if I was in the States, I'd still have to come back here just for,
We're happy to have you here.
Absolutely. Well, I know I'm taken care of also, which by the way, I have to say that Dr. Victor is probably one of the best dentists I've ever been with because of the fact that it's just relaxing. He just has that. It's not like digging into your gum or anything. It's great, you know?
We have patients that suffer of high anxiety, and we also offer conscious sedation for patients that are scared of dental treatment or they have like trauma from the past. We take care of them and relax them, for them to sleep,
Oh, fantastic.
and get the process more easy.
So as far as stuff like that goes, 'cause I know that there's plenty of people out there who really do actually have a fear of dental. So with that, you guys have what, like the laughing gas and
Yeah, we have laughing
sedation
gas,
and
we have sedation, we have anesthesiologists that come here and work with us and make
fantastic.
things easier for us.
so you go to sleep, you have wonderful dreams, you wake up and you're all done.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Fantastic. All right. Well, I'll tell you what, let's kind of jump into some of the other offices, get a little bit more in depth with some of the procedures that you guys
Okay.
can do.
Sounds
All right. All right. So in this office, they're going to be doing cosmetic dentistry. So some of the main things that people are doing with cosmetics, what do you do here?
Yeah, basically we have different rooms. One for surgery, one for root canals, one for the orthodontist, and this is for cosmetic dentistry.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite rooms.
Gotcha.
Okay? Basically here is where we do veneers, bridges, crowns, everything to make the teeth looks pretty.
Like
Yeah,
yours?
Mine is a work in progress.
It's a work in progress. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, so what do we have here? Because this looks like either a cool toothbrush or a lightsaber or something. So what is this?
This is an intraoral scanner. Remember the old time people used to take the impression with the paste, you know? Like,
Yeah, the stuff that always gets stuck in the back of your throat. And
exactly. So now
Yeah.
we don't use that anymore. Now we have the intraoral scanner where we scan the mouth directly from the patient after we finish. And with the scanner, we can do whatever we want. We can do the veneers, we can do the bridges, we can do guides for surgery, like this one that I have here. This is something that is printed in 3D after we scan the patient mouth, and then we create like a guided surgery to place in the mouth of the patient. The moment to place the implant, we place the implant in exactly position that we want. So
Wow.
it's really cool technology that is helping us a lot to do the work faster
And perfectly,
easier.
yeah.
And perfect, yeah.
Wow.
Trying to get perfection.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and something really cool that now we're gonna start to print everything in office. We're getting our own 3D printed in a couple weeks.
Wow. So you're gonna have everything in house, even your own 3D printer.
Yeah, so we can design, after we scan, we can design in the computer the teeth of the patient, and we can 3D print a temporary until the final, they're ready.
Unbelievable. See, that's another thing I've always liked about Top Dental is they don't just rest. Like they're always looking to move forward into new and incredible technologies and always at the cutting forefront.
Yeah, if we have technology and we can use it, why not?
Absolutely.
It's gonna make easier the process for the patient or for the dentist as well.
And best results.
Yeah.
All right, let's jump into the next office.
Okay.
All right, step right in. Which room are we in now?
This is the surgical room.
Surgical room.
Yeah, here's where we do all the wisdom tooth implants or anything that's gonna be involved something surgical.
So
Okay.
this is where you're trying to get me.
Yes, this is where we're gonna pull your wisdom tooth next week.
All right, I actually still have all of my wisdom teeth. I know. And Dr. Victor's been trying to get me to get rid of that. Sooner or later, he's going to get me on this
Yeah,
chair.
we can
So
put
this is where they're all going to
we
go.
can put you to sleep, but you won't remember. You know.
I won't remember anything.
Yeah.
Can I get home with your laughing gas? Is that cool?
Yeah, you can have laughing gas, and then we put you to sleep, so you will have the whole service.
I'll have a good time. All right, let's get into it. What do we got?
So basically here, mostly we do implants in this area, and what we do is our planning. We always do planification for implants. As you can see, we have different cross section of the bone and where we're gonna place the implant. And different angulation is a way for us to place the implant in the area where it's more bone, and we're gonna have more stability. This is really good when patient wants to get all the teeth pulled out because they are in bad condition and they want to live with a full set of teeth at the moment of the surgery.
Right.
So we use the 3D guy with the 3D scan and create the guy and place the implants, and the patient will walk out with their teeth already in place.
Brand new teeth.
Yeah, this is what they call all-on-4 or all-on-6 implants and denture.
Gotcha. Okay, coming into this area, where are we?
Well, here we have 2 more chairs where we do general dentistry, orthodontics, endodontics, everything else basically that we offer.
So all the nuts and bolts, this is where all this goes down.
Exactly.
All right, fantastic. Yeah, so all of your cleanings, fillings, pretty much everything.
Yeah, and here, like at Top Dental, a cleaning is $50, fillings from $30. You know, the prices
That's amazing.
are much more
Because
affordable.
fillings back in the US are like over $100, $150, is that correct?
Pretty much.
Oh my goodness.
So,
yeah, so you can see where it all adds up pretty quickly. So again, to be able to come down here and get all of these basic services and general services done all the way up to the super advanced, you're able to save quite a bit of money and frankly just get a free vacation out of it as well.
Exactly, that's the idea.
Oh man, fantastic. So before we wrap up totally, we just wanted to be able to introduce you to Maria. She's the one that's going to be checking you in when you guys come to Top Dental. She'll also be in charge of basically all the follow-ups and schedulings and everything else, correct?
Correct.
All right, fantastic. So with that, I mean, man, I just got to say thank you so much for your time coming in on a Sunday as well. I know, Dr. Victor had to come in for a patient anyway, but it was really, man, we just can't thank you enough for coming in on a typical day off normally and just opening up the office for everyone and the viewers at home. So with everything, how's the best way to be able to get a hold of you and for people to follow you? Social media, websites, all that good stuff.
Yeah, our website is www.ecuadordentistry.com. You'll find all of our, contact information there. Email is a great way to get in touch, topdentalmanta@gmail.com. Maria and I will help you out with whatever you need, and yeah, contact us anytime.
Fantastic, super easy. So of course, as always, we thank you very much for joining us on another one of these tours. This one wasn't real estate, but we covered a lot of ground on a very big topic that everybody contacts us with on a daily basis. And one of the other great things about Top Dental is their location, again, is literally in the same office complex as Ecuador Shores Realty, right above. So we've been best friends for a long time. But thank you very much again for joining us. Please continue to follow us on all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube of Ecuador Shores Realty, and our custom professional website of ecuadorshoresrealty.com. And until the next video, we look forward to seeing you right down here in paradise. Have a great day, everybody. So, as you can see, they are very well versed in everything that you guys are looking for with dentistry. Dental dentistry. So everybody, Ryan Kelly, Ecuador Shores Realty, and today we're here at Top Dental, joined by the wonderful Jennifer Victor. Yeah, we're going to cover a lot. So, all right, so be prepared for this one. Right down here on we're across the street from the. Why am I saying all that? I don't know that. Just delete that one.